Hey everyone, Dave Cook coming at you with D'Franco Painting and Wallpaper. So here is one of our work shelves with our paste counter, our snap-off blades, and of course our Dynamite 234. There's our 30-inch paste machine, our big boy paste machine. So when you're going to buy wallpaper, if you're looking into a commercial vinyl type wallpaper, you can actually buy it. Most places will sell it in two different widths. One of them is this big one, 52 inches. Sometimes it's actually 55-ish. And you can buy a shorter one. And these come anywhere from 20, I've seen them from 21 to 27 to 30. They come in, but it's a shorter roll, which is really nice. One, they fit in a smaller paste machine. It's easier to use a wallpaper table. And the one thing that's nice about this stuff is, for the most part, you don't have to reverse hang it. This one that we just did, it's 25 inches. And it did not require reverse hang, and it actually set on or do not double cut. Whereas if we're doing traditional 54-inch commercial, when we put the piece of paper up on the wall, so if we have, of course I don't have one here with me, ignore the pattern. So if we have one that goes up this way, the next piece will go this way. And so every other piece, you flip, you flip all the way down the roll. And that keeps the ink and the pattern. So as you're looking across the wall this way, if you got a small piece, if you don't flip it, you'll see a line right there and you'll see a different color. It's really weird, but that's the way the wallpaper is manufactured. So you're looking to get some, especially if it's a residential, bathrooms, if you can get a shorter roll, you will make your wallpaper installer very happy, because this bigger stuff, when you got to wrap around toilets and pedestal sinks, it is a pain. So just something to consider if you're looking for commercial wallpaper for residents or smaller rooms. See if you can get it cut into a smaller, narrower roll. You might have a couple more seams, but it makes the job a lot less difficult to install for your installer or yourself if you choose to tackle it yourself. If you have other questions about wallpaper installation, how to buy it, give us a call. We're here to help you. Love the space you're in.